According to Nandikeshwara's Abhinaya Darpana, Bhavabhinaya Heenam tu Nrittamitiriyate. That is, in Nritta, Bhava and Abhinaya are not prominent, and that is, there are no Sahitya or emotions in this kind of dance. Nritta is a kind of dance composition where footwork, rhythm, hand and leg movements, eye movements, head movements, and bends, leaps, turns, all these are included in the composition. Grace and postures are also adding to its beauty. According to Natya Shastra, the Nritta was considered as Tandava for men, Lasya for women, and they were also doing the group dances called Pindi Bandhas. In the present context, Nritta can be considered as anything done jatis having a muktaya, and all the combinations of various aduvus are considered. Example, Alaripu, Jatiswara.